Dear valued customer and partner, as a recognized CDMO, CordenPharma plays an important role in the supply chain today more than ever. While we do everything to protect our employees, we focus on delivering your medication to your patients on a daily basis, on time and in full. Our employees are fully committed and work very hard across our network, which is still every day full operational. Our employees even put in extra efforts to supply critical medications such as propofol from our CordenPharma Cabonago site. It is key medication in the treatment of COVID-19 patients, and we continue to expand our production to supply to hospitals in Italy and worldwide. We are doing everything today to continue and make sure there is no interruption of your supply chain. Should you have any questions, concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for working together with us in this critical situation, and stay safe and healthy.